As of October 10, 2024, gold and silver prices are being influenced by a mix of geopolitical tensions, economic concerns, and technical factors. Gold recently retreated from its record highs around 2,700 in late September and is currently stabilizing around 2,600 per ounce. Investors are showing caution ahead of the US elections, with some opting to take profits. However, ongoing global conflicts, especially in the Middle East, and concerns over US fiscal health continue to support demand for gold as a safe haven. Silver, meanwhile, is also facing pressure, with potential for further downside due to rising interest rates and a stronger US dollar. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel and share the video. First, looking at the gold price and the trends on the monthly, the weekly, and the daily. On the monthly, you can see here we've got still bullish movement with the price well above its moving averages on both the price and the CCI 150. On the weekly, it's also, now this is broken down into a neutral positioning. We've also got this bearish divergence, lower highs on the CCI versus higher highs on the price, and we may see it fall off in the coming weeks possibly, so just be aware of that, especially if it breaks below the moving average. On the daily, it's already broken below the moving averages, as you can see there on the daily and also the price chart, and that's still got some way to go on the downside. If we go to the micro chart, using the daily as a reference, we only take short trades. So if I turn on the short trade arrows, so going back from, that would have been from late September. So back from here, for example, you avoid taking these long trades and you would have taken these short trades. Now, some of these would have been false breaks, but some of these actually started working. And you can see here, you would have taken those little short trades there whenever the price breaks below the moving average and also the CCI breaks below the moving average. Now, at the moment, we've got a bit of a bullish divergence here on the hourly, and versus almost a double bottom on the price. So we might see it bounce in the next couple of hours, next few hours of trade, if this continues in an uptrend. So just be aware of that. But again, only going short, taking short trades only, in alignment with the daily here. So looking at the silver price, a similar story. We've got on the monthly, we've got a bullish momentum with the price well above its moving average and also the CCI moving above its moving average. On the weekly, however, it's actually broken down and approaching the moving average of the CCI and the price chart, so it's starting to weaken. And you'll see there's the highs there are lower, so that's a potential a bearish divergence on the weekly. I'll mark that, versus slightly higher highs on the price, and that's a bearish divergence. So we might see it fall off quite substantially from there on the weekly. On the daily, and after hitting this resistance at 32.51, it's actually broken through the moving average range. Likewise on the CCI, so giving us bearish movement only on the daily. So if we go to the micro charts, using the daily as a reference again, we only take short trades. You can see here that would have been a nice trade to take on the hourly, going short there when it breaks below the moving average range of the price, but also the moving average of the CCI, and you would have stayed in the trade there. There's a couple of ways to exit this. You could have exited when it hit the moving average range of the CCI, then re-enter it again when it breaks below. But again, you can see there are a couple of entries there would have been taken, or if you would have preferred to take it when it breaks below when it breaks the exponential moving average 9, or when it breaks into that moving average range there, that would have been another exit point. I like to take it on the CCI breaking, because you can see there, even though you've entered a couple of times during that downtrend, that would have given you early warning signal and getting out near the bottom of some of these trades. So you can see there, some of these work, some of these don't work that well, but again, there's various ways of entering or exiting the strategy. To support us more, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and share the videos. But for some more insights into some blue chip share scans, I do a weekly report, and in that report we also look at insider information for shares that are trending in a bullish manner. So go to the Patreon page, and links in the description below.